Every week we start off with it's David and Ariana here with another
Fast Talk Friday.
Hey, remember that? It's been a little while for us. So today I actually had an idea. I was going to do a real estate educational Friday, but instead I thought, why don't we do this as a Fast Talk Friday? Things that people should probably be asking when you are hiring a realtor to sell your home. So when I do my listing presentation, I usually give 6 major questions and then topics that I touch on that I think if you are a seller, you should be asking these questions as well. So we thought we'd share our little insight on it. So today is part 1 of 2 parts.
Yeah, 2 parts.
Of the 6 sellers questions. She's like, sure, whatever, Dave. Okay, so the first question. The first question I always try to answer, and I think you should ask as a seller, is like, what is so special about you? Like, you're the realtor, what sets you apart? Do you have a good track record? What is going on with, have you had any recent sales lately? How well do you know our neighborhood? Those kinds of things. You want to know a little bit more like the pedigree of the realtor. Because again, there's about, how many of us on the real estate board? I think there's about 58,000, something like that. Wow. Yeah, so you want to know, like, there's some of us are part-time, we're full-time, but there are people part-time. You want to know those things, right?
Yeah.
And what's the second question?
Number 2 is what sets your brokerage apart. So we're with Royal LePage Signature for many reasons. Our office is amazing, 24-hour support. If you need anything, someone is always there to help. Even if one of us are tied up, our office just offers so much help for everything. Yeah.
Well, the 24 hours, I like that too, because there are some brokerages, believe it or not, in this day and age, close at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
They don't have a 24-hour call service. They don't have the weekends. They don't have an online booking system, and so it does matter what the brokerage does to support you as a seller. Obviously, and there's other ways, like they also support, like sorry, Ruby. Like, you can't see her; she's off screen. She's just walking around looking at Ariana.
Visitor.
Yeah. But yeah, so it does matter what brokers. And the third thing this will end today's video, and we'll continue next week, is what do we do to market, what will the realtor do to market your home? Not every realtor believe it or not, has a marketing strategy. We find that here's my marketing strategy, and you've adopted it as well. I think it's second to none. Through all the years I've been doing real estate, it changes, it's dynamic, where we're putting ads, where we're paying for advertisement, and each property does matter, but you're gonna wanna know as a seller what to expect, where the house is going to be advertised. Sorry, I said this before. It's not good enough in this day and age just to do the 3 Ps. Do you remember what the 3 Ps were? I don't know if you remember.
No.
Put up a sign, put it on MLS, and pray to God that it sells. And some people do that. There's a reason why they're not in the top 3%.
Well, even your social media presence, right? You have a lot of followers. All that stuff makes a big difference nowadays because a lot of leads do come from social media. Absolutely. So yeah, we'll get you next week, and Ariana will start with number 4 to number 6. Yeah, we'll see you then. See ya.
Bye.